Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're working on this month's project where we're going to turn this space into this.
You want this on video?
Yeah, we can montage it. Alright, first things first, we're going to build a subfloor and then we're going to raise it up and it's going to sit at about 57 inches. That's going to give us enough room to park the bikes under. So the first thing we're going to do, make the box, tack it to the wall, get our level, and then put our support beams, and then we'll put the joist, the floor joist under there, which we're going to run every 12 instead of 16, which is normal, just to give it a little added support. So we can, we're gonna end up putting a couch or something up there and make it kind of cool. So we're gonna get started here by putting this together. And we're putting screws instead of nails because just in case we got to do an expeditious tear down. So let's get after it. Alright, so we got the first section built. That was fun. Now we're moving on to a second deck where we're going to bring it up 2 feet, elevate it a little bit, have a little storage underneath, tie it into this, put some stairs, and then we'll call it a day. But first I'm going to put a backboard here so we can tie into it. So we close up this space, button it up, and make sure it's sound. For the second deck, we're gonna run it straight back all the way, tie into this, and then we're gonna do the platform with the bottom stair in mind, which I think we're just gonna do a box step for ease. So that'll be this step, and then we'll figure out these steps when we get there. All right, so we're about to frame up the first deck, if you will, and get it all set up. We're framing up some stairs. We're gonna elevate this up off the ground 2 feet. So we gotta work on some braces. We gotta cut some braces, but it should be pretty nice. And then we'll have an extended platform up here where we're gonna put a desk and all that stuff. And then a stairway connecting from here. We saved ourselves the hassle of making our own stair stringers, and we bought some from Home Depot, or Lowe's rather. So they're actually going to work out for our application, and we'll see how it turns out. Yep. Just building motivation because I don't want to do shit. Alright, I'm motivated now. Quick clap solves everything. Don't take our fucking advice for anything. We're just putting shit together. Structurally sound, don't get me wrong. But don't be coming at me with your code. Because it's all the code. That's level, bro.
Level, right?
Yeah, that's tits on.
Yeah.
That's on tits. We run this separate.
What?
This step.
Yeah. It'll be easier.
So we need one 21 and a half. Alright, we got our final piece of the flooring going on before we, well, I guess technically this is going to finish up the project. We got to do one more stair here. We'll figure that out as we go. But last piece of plywood going on the floor. Like a glove. Beautiful. Alright, let's fucking tack it down.
You want to make sure you're touching this joint.
There we go. Let's do it. Alright, so we're gonna build a pipe banister here using this commercial or industrial pipe. So we got some base plates. We're just gonna put something up in between real quick, minimal, and let's see how it turns out. This is gonna be our center post. and we're going to tie into this on both sides.
Stop that.
Well, sides on, and we'll take all the stickers off them later. We just had to have these custom cut at Home Depot. Lowe's let us down this time. Sons of guns. Tell you what, red's nice. All right, so we just cut our steps and we're finishing this bad boy up. I can't wait to be done. It was fun, but all projects must come to an end. So let's put on the finishing touches and call her a night. All right, time to put the last plank, cut it down to size, and this is exciting. Finishing her off. And there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. I think we have completed it. So we're gonna deck it out later on, add some lighting underneath for the bikes. We're gonna put a couch up there. So it'll be a little bit different coming up. This is not the final layout, but this is pretty much the entire build. Overall, I think we built a solid structure. That ain't going nowhere. Some safety rails, beautiful. Easy steps, walk up, rail. I love it. And now, we can throw a party up here. DJ setup. Hey, imagine. Is this not a perfect DJ setup right here? Come on now. All right, guys, well, that wraps up this month's project. Be sure to stay tuned and watch out for next month's video where we're gonna start taking apart our RV. That's gonna be a two-part series. So we're gonna do the demolition and the reconstruction in two separate phases. So be sure to watch those. And if you have time, be sure to check out our previous videos that we went over with, did an aquarium build, a safe restoration, and the latest, which was the bathroom remodel. So go ahead, give us a like and a subscribe, and tell us what you think in the comments.